You know, the San Diego County Ford dealers are proud partners in the Miramar Airshow. Visit the Ford display right now and get behind the wheel of the all-new 2011 Ford Fiesta. And nice! Is that a C21, Rob?
That is a C31. That's
C31. All right, well, he is on the takeoff roll and carrying a bunch of bodies up there to about 12,000 feet. Like reminding folks that the San Diego County Ford dealers are proud partners in the Miramar Airshow. Visit the Ford display right now and get behind the wheel of the all-new 2011 Ford Fiesta.
Ron Turner and Alan Aber, I should say. Let's see if they're going to do the streamer drop at this point, or if they're going to wait with another pass and get right over the top. Heritage flight with a P-51 Mustang flown by Kevin Eldridge. We'll have the F-22 Raptor and an F-16 Fighting Falcon doing the Air Force Heritage flight. Now, right overhead, check for the streamers to come out. 3, 2, 1, now. Throw them out, boys. There they come. Right over the target. Now watch them as they drift. Now it's possible they're going to drift into the crowd. If that happens, look down to show right a little bit. It's coming down a little fast. So down toward the Patriot Chalet, if you'll look up, make sure that does not fall on you as it falls down here toward Earth. I think that's going to fall clear of the crowd. It did. We're okay on that, not an issue. But the others may be drifting toward the crowd. Again, don't try to catch them. These are the wind and drift indicators of streamers. Now the Golden Knights aircraft will climb to about 12,500 feet. Here come the streamers. And now, ladies and gentlemen, it's about time to introduce the folks from the MAGTF. Captain Reeves, it is time to launch the MAGTF aircraft. It's going to get noisy. It's going to get fun. Captain, it's all yours.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. In a moment, you will see a demonstration of multiple aircraft conducting a flurry of activity on the runways and in the... God keep our land glorious and free. Oh, Canada, we stand on guard for thee. Oh, Canada, we stand on guard for thee.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're listening to Rob Ryder, Mike Hohenauer singing the Canadian National Anthem. Now, if you will please remain standing while we stand by, looking skyward, up into that beautiful air show. Now, ladies and gentlemen, today's invocation will be delivered by Miramar's Chaplain Chester.
Let us pray. Divine Lord, we give thanks for your Son that has come out upon Air Station Miramar this morning. We give thanks for this day, and we ask that you continue to clear the clouds, making this day safe for all who perform and all who spectate. Now,
Now, as we see Golden Knight 607 on its final approach, just about ready to touch down, Alan Aber and Ron Turner at the controls. You see right through the C-31 troop ship aircraft, and we see a C-130.